Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Telegram channel link. First, let's understand the two main types, public and private channels. Each type has a slightly different way to access its link. Knowing this distinction is key to successfully sharing your channel. We'll cover both methods, ensuring you can always find and share your channel's unique address with confidence. Let's dive in and get started. For a public Telegram channel, finding your link is quite straightforward. Begin by opening the specific channel you manage. Then, tap on the channel's name at the very top of your screen to access its information page. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section clearly labeled Link. This is your channel's unique public address. Simply tap on it to copy the me/link, ready for sharing. If you're managing a private Telegram channel, the process for getting a link is a little different. Start by opening your private channel and tapping its name at the top. On the channel info page, look for invite links. Here, you'll find any existing invite links. You can copy one of these, or if you need a fresh one, you have the option to create a brand new invite link. This ensures secure access for new members. For public channels, you have the fantastic option to customize your link, making it easier to remember and share. After opening your public channel, tap its name and then select Edit. Within the channel settings, you'll find the option to change your public link. You can then enter a custom name, like me/your channel name. Just make sure your desired custom name is available before saving your changes. It's a great way to brand your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.